As you know, it's always exciting on this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own voiceover in any language at all, in any language you desire. Let's say you want to convert an English text to a voiceover in French. You can do that in Canvas. So let me show you how you can achieve that right inside Canva. So this is a presentation. I just took this image from Canva element. So I want to create a voiceover in French. So I'm going to go to apps to search for the app I want to use for this, for the conversion. It's called multilingual. That's the app. Open it. So here we have to type in our scripts. I just have a few lines of text. Maintaining brand consistency across platforms is crucial for building a strong, recognizable identity. So you have to enter your script right inside here, and you have maximum of 1,000. I don't know if that would be increased if you're using an upgraded version, but this is a free, I'm using it for free, so I have only 1,000 characters to insert here. And here I can choose my speaker language. So because my text is in English, I don't want an English translation. I don't want an English voiceover. So I'm going to change to, let's say, Chinese. And then I have the option to change my speaker. I can choose any speaker from here, but I'll leave it at the default speaker, which is Chen. And then I can also play the preview to listen to the preview of the person, of the voice that I chose. I mean, the speaker that I chose. So if I don't like the speaker, and I can always change it. So you have the option to preview the voice of the speaker you chose. Now, if I am satisfied with all that I've selected, the next thing I'm going to do is to generate my voiceover. And here it says that I have 500 characters available for free. So you see, even if I extend this to maybe 1,000, it can only give me 500 characters for free. So what I'm going to do now is to click on generate. And then if you want to, of course, if you want to have access to unlimited, if you want to have unlimited access to this app, you can always purchase it. So you click on this link here to purchase. And then let's see what it said. So voiceover generation is limited to 1,000 characters for optimal performance. So there you have it. Now I can go ahead and generate my voiceover in Chinese. So it has generated my voiceover and added it to my design. I can also change the speaker language to another language. Let me choose German. Let me see if I can find African here. Unfortunately, we don't have that option. So I can choose, let's go for Italian. And then generate. So I have about 398 left. So I can go ahead and generate this. So as you can see, the second voiceover we generated is longer than this one, than the first one we generated. So you can always extend the duration of your video if you so wish. So to do that, you can always, once you select the page, you go to this timing and then increase the duration or decrease it however you want. So let's say I'll increase it to 10 seconds. So you can actually enter any other language aside English. Let's say you have your text in French, Chinese, Japanese, Korean. You can also enter it here. Your script, you can also enter it in any other language and then choose the speaker of your desired language right inside here. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. I hope you try it. Canva is lots of fun, like I always say, and I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial. Keep it locked on this channel. In case you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so. And if you find value in this video, please give me a like and also comment, share, and of course hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a fresh and exciting tutorial, you will be the first to know. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.
保持跨平台的品牌一致性对于建立强大且可识别的身份至关重要。
Mantenere la coerenza del marchio su tutte le piattaforme è fondamentale per costruire un e-cancelletto 39, identità forte e riconoscibile.